Wow. I'm glad I'm not dealing with these winds for the young guys that came today from Daleys. Wow. Okay, let's see what we did with them. I only left out the carambola. They can take cold, not a problem. And passion fruit, no problem. Sugar cane, no problem. Of course, the veggies, no problem. Everything else is gone. Where'd it go? All gone. I think I know where they are. Somewhere. Not in here. Oops. Was that a ghost? Scared the living daylights out of me. What's the temperature? Oops. 17 or 18. Make up your mind. I think it's 18, yeah. So it's 18 in the house. I think it's in this room here. Yeah. Huh, there I am. Oh, and there they are. Found them. So guys, that's what I had to do, because we're gonna be getting very untropical. Let's put it that way. A very untropical few days, starting tomorrow, as I said in the previous video, and I just couldn't take any risk. So the lychee I could have risked. They can take the cold, but I've only just received it like a week ago. Why isn't this focusing? You can see the wind out there. It's not just the cold, it's also the wind. Right? Cold, wind, and a lot of rain. So we've got three problems. So the 4 jackfruits, I lined them up against the window there. It's better to show you like that. Up against the glass. And as you saw, the lychee. Don't know why it's not focusing. Crazy technology. This I could have left outside too. Sapodilla. But I don't want to take a risk. You know how hard it is to find this guy? Oh my gosh. Very hard to find a grafted, right? Yeah, a grafted sapodilla. Good luck. And of course the green sapote. 2 of them. And the creme de la creme of them all, this one, which will never fruit here in Melbourne. Mamey. I got this more for fun, just for my own pleasure. It's not gonna fruit. Way too cold. Way too cold here. It does well from what's it called? Coffs Harbour and north of basically the northern rivers of New South Wales. Even in Sydney, you would struggle with a mamey. Outdoors in the ground I'm talking about, not in the greenhouse, not in the pot. Talking in the ground, exposed, unprotected. You got no chance in Sydney. And if you do, well, lucky you, you must live in one of the coastal areas where you get no frost. So they're the 4 jackfruits. And it looks like 2 different varieties, as I showed you in the earlier video. You got this kind of leaf happening here, like a fig, and you got that leaf there. So different. And as I said in a previous video, I'm no expert in jackfruit, still learning. All right, guys. So These are going to stay in here. It's Tuesday now. These are going to stay in here until the weekend. Temperatures will drop down to 5 at night. That's 40 Fahrenheit for our American friends. And I didn't want to take a risk with these guys dropping below 50 Fahrenheit, below 10 Celsius. As I said, could have done it, but I just don't want to take a risk so early in the game, like day one. That's just silly. Okay, let's see. Actually, so the guest quarters are out of out of what's it called? Commission at the moment. Sorry, you'll have to book this room another time. And let's have a look at the bathroom. You might want to take a quick shower. Oh my God, what's this? The shower's out of commission too. Yeah, guys, sorry. You can't use the bathroom either. Yep, I've got the ice cream bean seeds popping. Yeah, well, we're trying anyway. Let's get some light in there. Yeah, some of them have popped. A few of them there that have popped, about 10. And these are the ones I did back in August, and they're coming along nicely. Got a few there, a few advanced ones there, a few there, and a few there. They're the newer ones. So yeah, bedroom and bathroom unavailable right now. Sorry. But why didn't I use the greenhouse? Good question. Why didn't I? Well, let's find out why. Let's find out why. Oh, I'm feeling rain on my shoulders. Oh, the bucko is looking great. It's coming back to life from winter. So let's find out. The reason is because it's full. The greenhouse is full. It doesn't have room for 10 pots. So, wow, perfect timing. It's starting to rain. And we're gonna have this rain until Friday. Yep. Better get moving. It's looking very stormy. We won't be seeing the blue sky until the weekend. That's how Melbourne is, guys. 5 days of tropical bliss, as I keep saying, and then 5 days of tropical hell. Not tropical at all. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'm pretty much up to date now with everything that's going on here, and hope you enjoyed. Please like if you enjoyed, and also share this video with others who are always looking for an answer or an option in a temperate climate with tropical fruit trees. Please also subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you from the next video.